We need some luck, don't we? Let's make a lucky painting. Supply check. Big flat brush. Medium round brush. Green, tan, black, white, maybe yellow? I don't know yet. And if you have gold, get gold. It's cool. And let's paint this background on. I want you to be loose and free and have fun. Have fun, damn it. Mostly white. Just slap it on. And when I say mostly white, I mean all the way white. But before it's dry, let's dip a little bit in tan. Just the corner of my brush. And I'm gonna XXX just a little bit in there. Smush, 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 smush. Ooh, abstract, lovely. How about a little bit more? Ooh, abstract, lovely. We like it. We can't stop. We should stop, but we can't. How about the same with green? Just a tiny, tiny bit. Oh. Let it mix in. Keep XXX smoosh, smoosh, smooshing. Very nice. Scrape off your brush. Straight green. We're gonna flick up, up, up from the bottom. Flick, flick, flick. Ooh. And I'm just pulling up really soft at the top. Really soft. Let's get our green and add a little bit of black to it. Get a nice dark green. Do the same thing. Flick up from the bottom, but just do less. Flick, 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 flick. Let it dry. Time for this brush and more green. We're gonna put in our cute little 4-leaf clovers. As many as you want, as big as you want, as small as you want. It's your painting. What do clovers look like? Hold on. Let's do one. And then it's just hearts that come out of that dot. Heart. 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 That's it. Dot. Heart. 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 And if it's not perfect, that's fine. It's a plant. Dot. Heart. 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 Dot. Heart. Heart. Filling in our clover with green. I want you to do one at a time so that the paint can blend while it's wet. Green. 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 And don't rinse your brush. Get your dark green again. Remember, we just add our black in. And from the center of the clover, following the shape of the heart. Now we rinse. Let's make a highlight color. So it's still green. Add yellow. Maybe a little white. Smoosh, smoosh along the top of each heart. Do it all over again to every clover. green, dark green, rinse, light green. I'm gonna do them all at once because I'm fast. Dark green. Don't blend it in too much. Let it be streaky. Little streakies. And then we rinse. Light green. Swoop, 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 swoop. Just swoop it. Swoop, 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 swoop. Swoop, swoop. Little swoop, little swoop. Little swoop, tiny swoop. Swoop, swoop, swoop. Beautiful. Okay, rinse. Stem time. They're just lines. The harder you push, the thicker your line's gonna be. Get your green and just paint a line. Whoop. I think we need to splatter it. Get your gold and add a whole bunch of water to it. We want it inky and drippy. See? See? And then we gotta go flat. So I'm gonna go to the ground. And then we take our drippy gold on our small brush and we tap, tap, tap the other brush on top of it. Cool. If you're not covered in gold paint, you didn't do it right. I got a fever and the only prescription is more gold. So I'm gonna dip this end of my brush into gold and I'm gonna dot, dot, dot. Yes. That's it. That's easy and that's pretty. Good luck.